Good morning, this is Mike Rowe at All-Star Ford Lincoln.
And I'm Priaireville Smith. How you doing today?
Right here we got our beautiful 2018 Special Edition Package XLT truck. One of the cool things about this is the front end. The front end is completely different. Put out what else we got on this?
Oh, we got a 2-inch lift here with the 20-inch wheels and tires, as you can see. That's extra cost right there. Mike, bro, what we got?
We also have one of our Ford certified bed covers. Tri-fold bed cover. Point out what's inside of this.
Oh, what's inside of here is rubber mat where you can scratch everything up. And also we have a little toolkit here, so it's extra charge at your convenience.
Come and see us, Airline Hwy Prairieville.
Mike Rowe and Priaireville Smith. Here we go.